Okay, so what I want to do here is I've got a list of different employees with their badge numbers and all that. And what I want to do is just take a sampling, just a quick sampling. I want to pull like 15 of these employees, and I want to list out those 15 badge numbers, let's say here. Okay, so I want to pull from here at random, 15 out of this long list of employees. All right. So we're going to use a tool called sampling. And the way we do that is we're going to go over into the data tab. We're going to go ahead and click on the data analysis. And we're going to go down to sampling and then hit OK. All right. So once we've done that, then we have to tell it the range that we want to sample. So we're going to, first of all, go here. It always has the last thing that you did here. So I'm going to go ahead and reselect that and then just select all of my badges all the way down just like that. Okay. And then once you've done that, we're going to tell it how many we want. Like I said, we want to do 15. So you type in 15. And then the output where you want to put the sampling is going to start at, in this case, just like it says here, F2, so this one right here. So we're basically pulling from here 15, random, and we're going to start the listing right here. Okay, and that's it. So you go ahead and you hit OK, and there we go. And you could format, you could click on one of these here, go back to home, and click on your paintbrush and then format them if you want to make them look nice. But that's it. So that's how that works. That's probably my shortest video here. Okay. All right. So hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully maybe you can start using this. Appreciate you watching. Take care.